song out right now.
What does it make you do?
It makes you wanna scream.
Okay.
It depends on the type of screaming. Give me the other type of scream now. Okay, never mind. So
I was ready. I was like.
So joining us and really heating up Daytime Live is none other than Jah Vinci.
Makes us wanna. All right, I'm done. I'm sorry. I'm done. My throat. Sir, welcome.
Yeah.
Before we jump into all things Jah Vinci, what do you love about the Christmas holiday, the Christmas season?
Well, what I'm going for me right now is definitely a Merry Christmas right now.
I like it.
A lot of screaming going on.
You see why we love you?
Yeah, music
That's how we
and
go.
voice is screaming.
See that?
So, Jah Vinci, do you have like a favorite meal during Christmas time that you just absolutely love?
Well, not really, you know. Sometimes you wonder home put away because I'm not big for food. I'm not big for food like that. You know,
Really?
some man just want every minute round the clock like me. And when you chew my always on the go working. And then when you get late, I'm say, yo, get something here, man.
But that's a myth, you know, because people think, say, if you don't eat a lot, you won't put on weight. But because you don't eat a lot, you do end up putting on weight.
As soon as you eat.
Yeah, well, that's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. All right, your song. Did you know that, I'm sorry, I'm done now with the screaming. Did you know that your song would have blown up so much when you were recording it?
Well, to be honest, you know, like, I know how hard to work on the song. And, well, not really too hard still. In terms of like me writing the song and them things, like, it kind of did easy for me. And then, you know, the not nice part, no, forget not nice. I say, yo, this way I work.
Right.
I'm at the tough head. So,
Yeah,
so I even know, like, you know, going in the process, you know, him actually come through real quick. But less than 3, him say, yo, the rhythm ready, and him try to put him on the spot on TikTok, I think we posted.
Yeah.
When him try to put him on the spot, but he never know when he start. Like,
right.
Already have something, so you're like, you're not embarrassed me.
We fly every minute and things. It's like he must say, one day touring or you know. But may I show him say, even though we're on the go, we're still on the go.
Still working,
You know what I mean? So him try to put him on the spot in the studio and just make him hear what I got.
Make him know the utmost professional, like, excuse me, I got it.
So the song has a feel, you know, the type of songs when you hear them, even before you hear the words, your body just starts to move to it,
I know
right?
that song. And you start to go,
And you start to go, okay.
Yes.
So it gives that feel, and not realizing that it would have blown up so much. Have you thought about whether you want to do more songs with that kind of feel that Scream has?
I've been doing these songs.
Ooh,
I've been doing these songs, but you know, Scream is definitely like a different topic where Jah Vinci ever go. You understand? You know, me always sing nice with the ladies. Them and tell them, say, yeah, me alone, you know, baby, and all of that. But now, yeah, the ladies them say them frustrated, you know.
Yeah, because sometimes the song them what we are here, it's a little much, you know. Sometimes we want to
just feel the body move, right?
We don't want to, it's a little smoother.
Wow, definitely.
Yeah. Okay.
Sure.
So you just got back from Canada. Love that. How was Canada for you? And will you be doing some shows here on the island this season? Because Christmas are come next week.
Yeah, I'm fully booked. Come from Canada. I just leave Negril. Last night we come in. And when I leave Negril, I have show last night. And then tonight I have 2 shows.
Again.
And tomorrow I have 2 more shows.
So is there any shows that we can tell our people them like, yo, go check him out at?
Yeah, all you have to do is just check out on my gram, you know, because I'm not going to remember every name.
So while we're there talk about the gram, what's the gram? The handle of the gram?
Real Jah Vinci. Real Jah Vinci. So once you go there, you're going to see everything we have in the lineup, you know. Now if I show them, not really post to because surprise.
Yes. Understood.
Because I was in Ochi, St. Anne yesterday, and I was like,
I was screaming.
You saw that I was driving
you're
by. I was
screaming. And screaming.
I was screaming, right? So okay, love that.
What I love too is that he's not gonna leave.
I was just about
He's
to say.
staying with us.
And what is he staying to do, Sunny? What's he doing?
So, Jah Vinci, you married?
Not yet.
Not yet. That's
I saw that
so
hesitation,
great.
you know. I
That's
saw the
so
hesitation, you know,
great,
Javin.
right?
Remember,
Like,
some
do I
people are
say
watching now. Be
yes
careful.
or no? I'm gonna
No,
go
I'm not
not
tell that. We
yet.
have a relationship.
All right.
joke, man.
So because of that, we're gonna give you some opportunity now to, you know, see who you'd want to marry, who you'd want to date, and who you'd want to just not.
And the game is
have.
called?
Marry, Date, Sip.
Marry, Date, Sip.
Okay,
So we're going to
okay.
get you some water. We're ready up, ready up, ready up.
I wish you put something in the water, but that's
yeah.
okay. It's real
Oh, yeah,
water.
see.
Marvin tea,
Tea,
ready.
tea,
And
yeah,
you
this-
guys at home, grab some sorrel, grab your own water, and you can play along with us. Marry, Date, and Sip. Stick and stay. Don't go away. We'll be back another day. Right now.
Another day.
Another day.
Yeah.
Right.